In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Fractal Breakout Strategy in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open for any market you want to analyze, like Forex, DOM, stocks, or crypto. It doesn't matter which symbol you use for this setup, you just need an active chart on your screen. Once your chart is open, we're going to pull up the Indicators menu. Look near the top of the TradingView interface for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually along the main toolbar above the chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens a new panel where you can search through built-in indicators, community scripts, and strategies. Inside that panel, you'll see a search box at the very top. Click directly on that search box so you can start typing. This search bar is how we quickly find specific tools without scrolling through long lists, which saves a lot of time, especially if you use multiple indicators and strategies. With the cursor active in the search box, start typing Fractal Breakout Strategy. Make sure you spell it correctly so TradingView can find the exact script you're looking for. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. You should see a list of matching indicators and strategies appear under different sections, usually labeled something like built-ins, community scripts, or strategies. Look through the results until you see the fractal breakout strategy you want to use. When you found it, simply click on it once. As soon as you click, TradingView will add that strategy directly onto your chart. You'll notice new visual elements appear, such as arrows, lines, or highlighted zones that represent fractal-based breakout signals, as well as a strategy tester panel that shows performance metrics like net profit and win rate. If you want to use TradingView Pro to get the most out of this strategy, such as more indicators on a single chart, additional alerts, and better layout options, check out the affiliate link I've placed in the video description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it unlocks the full power of TradingView Pro so you can run this fractal breakout strategy more efficiently. And that's all you need to do. You've opened the indicators menu, used the search box, found the fractal breakout strategy, and added it to your chart inside TradingView Pro.